help us send these children on this trip to Disney World this year. We've already told them they're going. Now, look, I don't want to have to go to your house, put you in the car, and drive you over to their house and tell them they're not going because we don't have the money. We need you to personally donate to the Kids trip. And then we need you to use your powers of social media to let everybody you know about the Kids Day going on right now. If you want to do a really quick text for $10, you can do that.
Text the word kid. That's KIDD. Just so happened, Kids is named after Kid Craddock.
Yeah.
The number is 52000. That's a $10 donation, and it'll just pop up on your phone bill, and you can do that up to 3 times today.
Yeah. You can also donate online at kidskids.com. And if you do it that way, you have a chance to pick up some stuff from Kids and donate more than just the $10 that you can do by texting.
And you can also see where the money goes to on kidskids.com. You can see the videos, you can see pictures.
Yep. And you can donate via credit card, debit card, or even a check there on kidskids.com. KIDS.com.
We have a great mobile site. So let's say you're at work or on the way to work and you want to donate more than the $10 by texting. You just go to kidskids.com/mobile on your cell phone, and it's all set up right there for you to make a donation.
Our national drop-off location partner is Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers. You can make a donation at over 100 of the Raising Cane's locations nationwide in these states: Louisiana, Mississippi, Texas, Alabama, Kentucky, Georgia, Virginia, and Oklahoma.
Okay.
And also, for all those Raising Cane's, those 100 locations, everything they make today, they're going to take 15% of it and donate it to Kids.
That's nice.
That could be a huge check.
And then add that. They put a special little button on the cash register.
Yeah.
So you can go in and donate any dollar amount, and that'll get added to the total.
How cool.
Speaking of special buttons, if you have the Kid Nation app, there's a special button for donating for Kids right there. So if you have the app, you can click on that.
So the point is, we have made it as easy as possible.
Oh, we left out one. We left out one too.
Phone number?
The simplest way, the old school way, which is to just simply call a phone number and donate.
There's people standing by right now.
At Southwest Airlines, not only do they provide the plane for free, and the pilot for free, and the flight attendants for free, and all the staff to work the send-off party for free, and the return party for free. They do all this for free, and they man our phone banks, and they give us a room at Southwest with a bunch of phone lines, and Southwest employees are standing by and waiting. 888-SWA, KIDS with a Z. 888-SWA, KIDZ.
Got it.